Okay, today we're going to do Rapid Math Tricks and Tips by Edward Julius. Trick number 17, how to multiply by 9 using the abacus. We have the problem 67 times 9. First, we're going to demonstrate how we move over 4 bars because we're going to change this problem to 67 times 10 and use our rapid math trick to solve it. So moving over 4 bars, we know that when we use the abacus, we move from the left to the right when we are solving. So we're going to begin with 1 times 6, the digits in our 10 place. We're going to move one earthly bead up and one heavenly bead down to get our product of 6. And then we're going to cross multiply our tens place, moving over 1 bar to show the product of 1 times 7. We're going to drop 1 heavenly bead down and move 2 earthly beads up for our product of 7. Now we're going to look at the product of this. We have 6,700. We know that the original multiplication problem we changed to was 6 times 10. Knowing our rule of multiplying by 10, we know that we can simply add a 0 to the end of that 67. So applying the test of reasonableness, we know that 6,700 would be too large a product, and therefore we're going to clear our abacus and make our product 670 as we move to the next step of this trick, which is subtracting 67 from our product 670. Now when we use the abacus to subtract, we're also going to move from the left to the right. We have 67 from 670. Therefore, we're going to move over to the second bar and subtract our 6 from the 7. Taking 1 heavenly bead up and 1 earthly bead down. Now, we're going to subtract the 7 from the ones place. In this case, our ones place has 0. Therefore, we need to move over to our tens place and clear our beads and show the 10 regrouping on the first bar. Now we have 10 and we need to subtract 7. So we're going to move 1 heavenly bead up and 2 earthly beads down, leaving us 3 in the ones place. Therefore, we now have our product of our original problem, 67 times 9 equals 603. And this is how you use the abacus to solve for trick 17, how to multiply by 9.